Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of RTHD. In this episode, I actually want to unbox this watch and wristband from Goodfellow and Company, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so it is a lovely box and it's labeled Goodfellow and Company, and I actually did a little bit of research on this and I found out that it's actually from a company, you can actually get this on target.com, and the price of this set is actually $24.99, which is a pretty decent price for such a set. So with that being said, let's get to the actual unboxing now. Alright guys, so it comes in this lovely box. It's not fully green, it's like a shiny sort of faded green, if you want to call it that. And all you have to do is, of course, well, we simply open it and here it is. Now, I did actually cut this strap. This strap actually holds the watch and the wristbands all together in one. But I haven't actually unboxed it and pulled it out as yet. So it is very, very well packaged. It's very, very well packaged. And you can actually see that here. And now this part says Goodfellow and Company features adjustable band, and you can't actually pull this out, so you actually have to get in and actually grip this part out, and that's how it actually comes out. So because it's overhead, you may not realize that this is actually a triangle and that actually holds it upright. So this is what it looks like when you look at it on the table. And first impressions is that I actually like the fact that there is no numbers. I don't know if you can see that, but there's actually no numbers on the watch. So that's pretty interesting. It's very, very neat and clean, and I hope that you can see it there. Of course, it's a pretty decent price. Now, that's what I noticed. First of all, the no numbers and how neat it is on the inside. And I don't normally wear brown, but this comes in a nice brown color, so it contrasts a little bit with the black and so forth. So that's nice as well. And of course, the wristbands, the first thing I see is this quite interesting wristband here. Plenty of wristbands. So I'm going to try this thing out. And but first thing I'll have to do is kind of unpack this. So as you can see, it's really, really well packaged here. So I need, of course, my trusty knife as we get along here. Hopefully it'll be strong enough. These are really, really... Yeah, okay, good. So that's that, and I'll try to cut that one open. Right. Yeah. Okay. So now it just simply slides across out, I would think. Yep, just slides out. It's light, quite light. Good for, you know, daily usage, etc. Of course, it's not a smartwatch or anything like that. And you can just, the bands are flexible, so you just pull it out, and that's pretty much it. Wow, you can actually see when I try to pull that out. So it's sort of like leather. It doesn't say leather though, so it's kind of hard to really see, but the bands look pretty cool. So normally now I have long hands. Nice, it fits really, really well. Nice. I thought it would have been big, but it's not. So I guess the style is that you put this in between. I'm sure that this sort of, right, so it's like a lock-in. It's not really a lock-in mechanism, it's just tied that way. And so you fit that. Very stylish, man, I guess. And how did I put it back? Okay, so I think it's this one. Could be wrong. Yeah. So you can actually do this with one hand. I'm left-handed and probably just set up really, really weird, but just have to pull that in. And the beads are like that, and then, well, of course you could put the brown one in as well. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, looks really grungy. Looks nice, new age. And of course the watch as well. Let's have a look at this. I'm not too sure. It doesn't really feel like real leather, and that's totally fine by me. So that will go on my left hand. So I'm accustomed to it. Let me see how easy it is to do it with one hand. Seems comfortable enough. There you go. Yeah, and that's it. So it does actually feel really, really nice on the hand. It looks clean, and I should probably have a look at, before we finish this video, very, very quickly. Ooh, so sweaty here. It's hot. It says Japan movement. It says base metal bezel, and it says stainless steel. So I don't think this is going to be water resistant in any way. Of course, these two buttons here are fake. It's just this one to actually set the time. The time is already set, but usually, you know, I guess you just pull it out and you set it accordingly. And that is pretty much what is in the Goodfellow and Company wristband and wristwatch setup. So guys, thank you so much for viewing. Of course, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll come up with more tech videos instead soon. So with that being said, thank you so much for viewing, and I'll see you guys again soon on another episode of RTHD coming to a YouTube screen near you. Take care. Bye bye.